Hey there, it's Pinto here. Now you build a website, you are selling a product or service, and you wonder how to get easy and fast traffic to your website. Now my answer to this question is this one: using solo ads is one of the fastest way to get people clicking or visit your website or your landing page or wherever you are trying to sell. By the end of this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to get started with solo ads without wasting your money, and how to select the right solo ads vendor to use so that you don't waste your money or paying for fake clicks. And when you use the link on the description below, you're gonna have a $5 free gift, and you can start using this $5 free gift right away, guys. So if you don't know what is solo ads, basically solo ads is using other people's email list so that you can promote or sell your own products or service by paying certain amount of money using their email list, and the price can vary from seller to seller. Now the first thing to do is creating your account on Udimi. Why Udimi? Udimi is one of the best platforms out there to use when it comes to solo ads, because you have the protection, you have the track record for many other vendors. I know that most of them here, not most of them, but a few of them, they have their own websites and they are selling on their website as well. But Udimi, you have more options, and not just have more options, but you have more data. You have people using them, or people are saying bad stuff about them. With all this data, you can have more perception if they're gonna be suitable to your business. That's crucial for the entire business, for your campaign. So now when you sign up, you're gonna see this page right here. With solo ads, it's not necessarily to get sale up front. You can get sale up front. I got selling up front, and many other people as well, as you can see over here. I'm going to show you exactly. But one of the things that people normally use solo ads is to build their email list, because when they sign up, you can promote them with more products on the back end, and that's crucial. That's the beauty part of this business, is on the email list, as many people say, right? Like the money is on the list. So guys, pay attention exactly what we're gonna do right now. So this is the website, right? And when you sign up, you need to go right here on find sellers. All right, just click here, find seller. I'm already here, find sellers, and then you come here. You need to know how many visitors you want. For instance, like you want 75, you want 100. It depends. It can vary, because some sellers, the minimum visitors or clicks that they sell, the minimum, some is gonna sell like 75, others 100, others 200. It depends. So you need to know how many sellers, how many visitors that you want to your page, and I recommend you to start with 75 or 100 visitors to your page. It's good. If you start with 100, it's very, very good. And the other thing that you need to, basically, one of the most important part in all these selling right here is if they got sales. Because you are just starting out, it's crucial that you use the person that normally other people are using them, because if they are using them, it's because they have a good or a quality email list. You gotta select here people who got 30% sales or more. All right, don't go with people with 0 sales. That's not good, because you never know who's selling, who's using a fake email list, who's just there to make money and not helping other people, and so on. And remember, the price now start from 40 cents up to 95 cents right now. All right, 95 cents, right? Yeah, exactly. Started from 40 cents to up to 95 cents, and it's crucial for you to select people who got at least 30% sales from every people who bought from them and who left a review. Have said that we got sale, and that's crucial. That's really crucial. All right, if you want to select niche right here, you can select the niche that you are in, and one advice as well is that remember, you want to use only solo ads if you have your own product to sell. If you have an info product to sell, you don't go here, or don't come in on Udemy, or don't use solo ads. On Udemy especially, I'm saying about Udemy, right? We are using Udemy to sell like physical products. Is not a good niche for here, okay? Because normally these guys, they have email lists to sell stuffs, okay? Because people over there, they want to make money as well. So you can change here on settings 100, for instance, 100 visitors, and then got sales. At least 30% of people who bought for them got sales. I know this got sales. Good. And the prices can vary as well. But if you're trying to select that, like for instance, 30% of people who bought from them got sales, and you say, okay, I want to start with 40 cents, it's gonna be difficult, because they know if I have a good email list, I'm gonna put my price very high. I'm gonna make it that people, because they have a good email list, dude. If you don't have a good email list, that's a good asset. So the price, normally you're gonna find, it depends. I'm gonna say you don't go with a big price like 19.95 or so. Start with like, for instance, it starts with 45 cents. You're gonna find some of them with 45 cents, as you can see here. And now, after doing that, now you gotta select another aspect, another thing that you need to put in mind. It's about the review. We select the people who got more than 30% sales, that we got sales more than 30%, and we have visitors. That is not crucial. You can change after this one. And now you can see how many reviews they got, right? How many good and bad reviews they got. For instance, this guy over here, he got 30% of people who bought from him got sale, right? He got 2 bad reviews and 28 good reviews. Well, I don't advise you to go with these guys, all right? So I advise you to use some other people. Like for instance, this guy Ego is very good. He's very good. I advise you, if you're starting out, using Ego. Okay, Ego is very good. Another aspect that you need to put in mind as well is by going to this page and see exactly how to use it. And if you have the budget, select only top tier country. This is crucial, because they're gonna give you only the 5-tier countries, like United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and United Kingdom. Over there, people, they have money to buy, so that's crucial. As you can select, you can see the reviews, what people are saying about him. Look at this girl, I don't know how to say, Lane, I don't know, Line, whatever. Another excellent run, 67 opt-in and 2 sign-ups, and that's good. She got sales. Thanks again, good job. He doesn't got sale. A great run, thank you. You can go and see the reviews, what people are saying about him, and maybe they, they're not doing a good job, and so that's crucial on your selection as well. And as you can see, Udemy verified that Ego, got more than 9,000 verified list, or better, email list, right? And that's a big list, guys. Believe me, that's a big list over there. And all right, now over here, you're gonna select the test that you're gonna send to them. If you don't have any test, any added copy, any swipe message, you can type here. You're gonna have to type here, like, you don't have the test, and type here your link to your landing. You don't necessarily need to use an email, or to write an email, or to send to them, because they know the list, they know how to sell to them. You just need your link, grab your link and put there, and you are good to go. You are ready to go. And then when you've done this, right, for instance, you can put here, let me just try google.com. For instance, this is my link. I click here, add to cart. Look to the price, right? It's gonna be 58. Add to cart. Add to cart. All right. If you have the gift card, you're gonna apply here, and then you have more option to use from. Like you can use PayPal, you can use a new card. For instance, I normally use my this card over here, and just when you finish with that, and you're good to go. You're ready to go, right? And this is one of the steps to find a good seller. Now, a sellers that I normally recommend to people is Ego. I'm gonna put the list on the description below. You can go around and see which one to select or which one to use. All right, this is the one of the first crucial part to select. Find sellers, the menu, find sellers. And another one is forum. On the forum, for instance, Branson, he has a good blog over here explaining how is everything, which kind of products you should sell. You should look up here. You should read a little bit what they are writing, what they are saying over here, and see what people are saying as well on the comment below. This guy over here, Branson, is a good guy. I recommend you to use him as well. He's gonna tell you that when you are using, for instance, you are selling affiliate products, on the first place, you want to get the most sales. Don't use high ticket products and many other stuff. You can just come here and select him and see what he's saying. Now, my solos, every time you recommend you purchase solo ads, you're gonna see here on this tab, my solos. Here you're gonna see your message, people you contact to, people you talk to, and so all sellers and many other people over here on Udimi. And what we got here, another one is your ad test. For instance, if you have many links, you can just click here, add test, and then add new swipe or add new link. All right, I just recommend people to use add new link. It's more, I know that other people will tell you that you should use a swipe email, but remember, they will not use your swipe email. They will only use your link. They know how to sell to their buyers, to their email, to the people on their email list. Okay, for instance, I run this campaign over here, and as you can see, I ran this campaign several times with different people just to test it out, with this account, in this account over here. And one of the most successful campaign that I had was with Branson. See, as you can see here, this is ClickFunnels. This is my stats of ClickFunnels right now. One of my funnel that I used to promote affiliate products. And as you can see, I got basically 1,000 people coming here, and my opt-in rate was about 43%, and that's a good opt-in rate. 40%, 43%, and that's it. It was just promoting using Udimi, and I'm getting a good result, and you can too as well. You just need to start using it, and it's easy, guys. It's easy, okay? Easy. And if you want to use ClickFunnels as well, grab the link below. I'm going to leave the link below. You can start out to use ClickFunnels. It's one of the best platforms out there to use if you want to create a good landing page. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for everything that you have done for me. Thank you for your valuable time that you gave to me, and for allowing me to provide you value, so that you can use to your own business, so that you can apply it. Because remember, every kind of information, if you don't apply it, it's new, it's unnecessary, it's nothing. So please apply the knowledge that you learned today, and see you to the next video. And one more time, one love, peace.